It's the biggest, most prestigious, most hard-fought championship in this genre of racing, and it's about to kick off live for 2016 right now. Who's going to get the whole shot? Stewart on the inside. Do they credit him with
James Stewart's dream from when he was a little boy is complete.
Honestly, things has been a dream of my life.
Stewart? He's not done. The Yoshimura Suzuki rider tries to come back.
One of the most skilled.
Eagle double G. Eagle double G. Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cuz homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low lie, yo lie, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she grabbing the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swank in my hair. Trick, quit talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you be relieving your stress. It's the one and only Eagle double G. You know I'm poppin' with your D.O.E. It's the one and only Eagle double G.
Oh yeah.
Hold up.
Shut up, Jeff, I'm gonna gap the bike.
Then I could just wear a GoPro, you know that? They're not as bad as our first video.
No, that was good. That was a good video.
That video sucked ass.
You suck ass.
Is that a problem?
Yeah, actually. Holy shit. Jeff likes cock. That one looked like it hurt.
No, it didn't.
Oh yeah, it did.
I don't feel pain.
Oh yeah.
My damn rims are gonna have a problem.
Why do you care about the rims? You spray painted them. You probably got more of it.
Because I just painted them and they look good.
They don't look that good.
That's the factory race machine right there.
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
You know what's funny about that thing?
What?
I paid more for my boots.
That's so true.
Just a fun fact.
Fun fact.
Were you gapping this thing?
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
There we go.
Ben, what the hell?
Shut up, Jeff. I'm gonna cap the bike.
Ben, I could just wear a GoPro, you know that? What are you doing? Just get on it! It's not that big. You gonna go or what?
Yeah, hold on. Hey, that's one.
Yo, that's the grass. Come on.
That's your line.
That's nice over there though.
Oh, we got it, we got it.
Ah. Oh yeah.